Are you using Microsoft 365 for your productivity and messaging needs, but haven't modernized your security suite? NetWoven Security Modernization Solution, powered by Microsoft Security Suite, helps organizations improve security posture and mitigates risks. Data security incidents are on the rise. Over 80% of organizations experience more than one data breach. Adding to outside threats, malicious insiders account for more than 30% of data breaches, costing companies an average of $15 million. Decision makers are struggling with a fragmented solution landscape, with 80% of them purchasing multiple products to meet compliance and data protection needs. The NetWoven Security Modernization Solution unlocks the potential of Microsoft Security Suite to mitigate cybersecurity risk from outside and inside threats. Our global delivery model, combined with our proven methodology and templates, minimize cost and delivery time. Our extensive deployment expertise, deep knowledge of Microsoft licensing, and best practices help customers maximize value from existing licenses faster and better. NetWoven's 3 steps to a security modernization journey empower companies to realize progress on day one and quickly reach the finish line. Fortify foundations of your environment, shield and protect your devices and data, and safeguard against future threats. NetWoven unravels complex business problems leveraging Microsoft technologies. Contact us today and schedule a free workshop with our leading security architects.